In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Wix website after publishing simple. Even after your site is live, you can safely make changes in the Wix editor. Nothing updates on your live site until you publish again, so you can work with confidence. First, open your site in the Wix website editor. From your dashboard, choose the site you want to update and launch the full editor. Give it a second to load your pages and sections. If you see the design canvas with your site layers and settings, you're in the right place. Next, use QuickEdit. This mode lets you adjust common settings faster without diving into every advanced panel. Hover over the section you want to tweak and enter QuickEdit to surface the most relevant controls for that area. Select the column background of the section you're updating. This targets the background layer behind your content, which is perfect if you want to refresh the look without moving elements around. If you also need to check the text area, click the paragraph within that section. This helps you see how background changes will interact with your copy for readability and contrast. Reselect the column background to bring its controls back into focus. You want the background settings open so you can adjust the visual style. Open the hamburger menu for more options. This reveals additional background controls that aren't always visible in the quick panel. Choose Change to switch the background style. You can move between images, videos, and color fills here. Pick color to apply a solid color background. Solid colors are clean, fast to load, and easy to keep consistent with your brand. Now, use the highlighted controls to fine-tune the color. Click the highlighted color swatch, then adjust the shade so your text remains legible. If a theme palette is highlighted, choose from your site's predefined colors for consistency. Continue clicking the highlighted options to review variations such as hover or active states, overlays, or any linked style tokens. Make selections that keep contrast strong and align with your design system. As you move through each highlighted control, you're confirming and applying the color exactly where it's needed across that column and its related states. If a highlighter points to opacity or overlay intensity, bring it up or down until images or text underneath remain easy to read. When a highlight indicates additional swatches, check them to ensure desktop and mobile views will match your brand palette. Take a moment to glance at your headings and buttons over the new background, and keep adjustments inside the highlighted controls until everything feels balanced and accessible. That's it. By using QuickEdit, targeting the column background, opening the menu, choosing Change, selecting color, and working through each highlighted control, you've updated your Wix site's look without disrupting your live site.